In the shadows of the great powers, a silent rivalry brews not on land, sea, or even manned aircraft, but in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles. As we step into the age of autonomous warfare, two nations, the United States and Russia, are locked in a technological tussle. This is a battle of wits, a contest of innovation, an arena where the best minds are pitted against each other to create the most advanced unmanned aircraft. From the west, we have the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie, a sleek, stealthy drone from the United States, a testament to the nation's technological prowess. From the east, we have the Russian Grom, a formidable rival in the unmanned aerial vehicle race, boasting impressive capabilities. This is not just a rivalry, it's a reflection of the changing landscape of warfare, an evolution from boots on the ground to eyes in the sky. The stage is set for an unseen battle between two formidable foes, the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie and the Russian Grom. Born out of the need for stealth and power and precision, the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie enters the scene. A marvel of modern engineering, the Valkyrie is a sixth-generation unmanned aerial vehicle designed with a single purpose: to dominate the skies with unmatched stealth and raw power. The Valkyrie's design is a testament to American military ingenuity and superiority in aerial combat operations. Its sleek, streamlined body, combined with a diamond-shaped wing configuration, allows it to cut through the air with minimal resistance. This diamond wing design, while not unique to the Valkyrie, is implemented in such a way that it enhances not only the drone's aerodynamic performance, but also its stealth capabilities for pinpoint accuracy. But the Valkyrie's stealth isn't just about its shape, it's about what's under the hood. The drone is equipped with a state-of-the-art radar-absorbent material which helps it evade enemy detection. This material, combined with the drone's unique design, makes the Valkyrie nearly invisible to enemy radar and enhancing its stealthiness. It can slip into enemy territory undetected, carry out its mission, and return without ever being seen. In terms of capabilities, the Valkyrie is a force to be reckoned with. It is a sixth-generation marvel that begs for a rival. It can reach speeds of up to 600 miles per hour and has an operational range of over 1,000 miles. But what truly sets the Valkyrie apart is its ability to operate independently. With its advanced artificial intelligence system, avionics and aerodynamic capabilities, the Valkyrie can make tactical decisions in real time, reducing the need for human intervention. The Valkyrie also boasts a versatile payload capacity. It can carry a variety of weapons, from precision-guided munitions to electronic warfare equipment, making it adaptable to a wide range of missions and combat operations. Whether it's taking out a high-value target or jamming enemy communications, the Valkyrie has the tools to get the job done with deft precision and accuracy. The Valkyrie, a true embodiment of stealth and power, sets a high bar in the realm of unmanned aerial vehicles of the sixth generation. It's a formidable piece of technology, one that underscores the United States' commitment to maintaining its edge in the ever-evolving landscape of modern warfare. Not to be outdone, Russia unveils its answer to the Valkyrie, the Grom. The Grom, a sixth-generation unmanned aerial vehicle, is Russia's challenger in the stealth drone arena. It's a testament to Russia's ingenuity and determination to keep pace in the ever-evolving world of military technology. The Grom's design is distinctive, incorporating stealth technology into an aerodynamic frame. The drone's body is sleek and minimalistic, reducing radar visibility and increasing its stealth capabilities. It's a masterclass in blending form and function, mirroring the stealthy design principles of its American counterpart. The Grom is truly a rival copy of the Valkyrie. But what makes the Grom truly remarkable is its capabilities. It's not just a silent observer in the sky, but a force to be reckoned with. The Grom is capable of carrying a variety of payloads, allowing it to fulfill a range of missions. From reconnaissance to precision strikes, the Grom is an adaptable asset in Russia's military arsenal. The Grom's stealth technology is also worth noting. Its radar-absorbing materials and low observable design makes it difficult to detect, giving it an edge in covert operations. It's a silent predator, capable of infiltrating enemy airspace and defense lines undetected, gathering vital intelligence and striking when least expected. So, how does the Grom compare to the Valkyrie? Both drones share many similarities, from their stealth design to their versatile capabilities. However, each has its own unique strengths. The Valkyrie excels in long-range operations and is capable of autonomous flight, while the Grom's strength lies in its adaptability and stealth technology. Yet, it's important to note that these drones are not just carbon copies of each other. They are the result of their respective countries' strategic priorities and technological advancements, each designed to fulfill a specific role in their military strategies. The Grom, with its own set of strength, stands as a worthy rival to the Valkyrie. It is a testament to the ongoing race for supremacy in the field of military technology, a race that shows no signs of slowing down. Now, the stage is set for a comparison, a clash of titans, the Valkyrie versus the Grom. Let's start with design. The Valkyrie, a product of American innovation, flaunts a sleek and futuristic build. Its streamlined body and trapezoidal wings are not just for show. They're engineered for superior aerodynamics, enabling this bird to soar the skies with grace and speed. On the other hand, the Russian Grom, while maintaining its own unique aesthetic, seems to draw inspiration from its American counterpart. Its design, though more robust, still echoes the Valkyrie's emphasis on aerodynamics and speed. In terms of capabilities, both drones are nothing short of impressive and stunning. The Valkyrie prides itself on its autonomous systems capable of executing complex missions with minimal human intervention. It can carry a payload of small-diameter bombs, making it a formidable force in the battlefield. The Grom, not to be outdone, boasts its own set of impressive features. It can carry a variety of air-to-surface missiles, air-to-air missiles, and is designed to operate in synergy with manned aircraft, providing an effective force multiplier in combat situations. Now let's talk of its stealthiness. The Valkyrie's design incorporates stealth technology to minimize its radar signature, making it a ghost in the skies. Its low-cost, high-capability approach makes it an attractive option for stealth missions. The Grom, on the other hand, is no slouch in this department. Its design, while not as stealth-centric as the Valkyrie, still incorporates features aimed at reducing its radar visibility. Despite their similarities, the Valkyrie and the Grom are not carbon copies of each other. Each holds its own strengths and weaknesses. Each carries its own unique identity. They are products of different philosophies, different approaches to the same problem: how to maximize the potential of unmanned aerial vehicles in the field of combat. In this silent rivalry of unmanned aerial vehicles, the Valkyrie and the Grom each hold their own, marking a new chapter in the saga of military advancement and furthering the military superiority contests between the United States and Russia.